This is in front of the ice cream shop, and I've got my primer on, and it basically consists of 1 coat of primer and then maybe one coat. If you have good quality paint, you can just do 1 coat, but if not, you have to do 2 coats of color. And then here's my setup. I've got my paints, my little table, my trays, and anybody can do this. So if you guys are looking for ways to make extra money and you're interested in knowing what kind of paint is used for this, just hit me up on the comments and I will put a description. How's it looking, Rob?
It's looking fabulous. It's all coming together. A lot of depth. Now the color is looking good.
You're just giving the impression of depth there. Okay, and then I'll be doing my eyeballs. For the eyeballs.
Oh, okay, for your...
Yeah. And I'm going to put some vampire teeth on here, so...
Oh, cute.
Okay, there's my outline, and I'll do that
That's
in black.
fun.
As soon as this dries right here, you can put on your black.
Oh, nice.
Hey guys, don't forget to click that like button.
Awesome job.
Well,
Would you?
thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
You too, but whoa.
Oh.